Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. So today we are going to talk about the Samsung's upcoming 2019 flagship, that is the Samsung Galaxy S10. So without wasting any further time, let's begin with the features. In-display fingerprint reader, which is not going to be on a certain point on the display. Instead, the whole display is going to be the fingerprint reader. Touch anywhere on the display, it gets unlocked instantly, and it also has a bunch of possibilities that can be implemented with this cool feature. It is also expected to have that facial recognition that will stand toe to toe with Apple's Face ID. Specs: Samsung Galaxy S10 could have an all-new infinity display with that massive 93% screen to body ratio. Whoa! And it is 100% sure to be powered by Snapdragon 855 and the next generation Exynos processor. 5G connectivity. The S10 will be the first smartphone to support superfast 5G, as Samsung and Qualcomm have recently announced a strategic relationship agreement for transition to 5G. The name. After S9, the natural way to go is the S10, but no, there is a twist here. In a press conference, DJ Ko, the president of Samsung Mobile, says we will stick with the Galaxy, but we have been thinking about we need to maintain the S or the numbering system. So here is a twist, that it can be named as the Galaxy S or the Galaxy SX. I don't know. Think about this possibility of being naming the phone. Tell me in the comment section below, it would be the S10 or the Galaxy S or the SX. Release date. S10 is expected to be released during the first quarter of year 2019 at MWC Barcelona. Price. It's too early to predict such a complicated issue, but still, let's give it a shot. As S8 and S9 were priced at nearly $720 in US, S10 would not go very far and would be standing at around $750 in US. So that's all we know about the Samsung Galaxy S10 until now at this moment. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button and do not forget to like the video. In the end, I would like to tell you to share the video, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.